Before I start packing, I thought I'd give you a little tour. I've done this before. Some things have changed, others are the same. But here's the stuff that I bring on any trip where I'm vlogging. So I've got this Anchor power bank. I've had this for a number of years. It's still performing great, knock on wood. And I'm able to plug 3 different USB devices in, and it's got a ton of power. Here I've got some GoPro straps. Here's my GoPro suction cup for a window. All my GoPro and other parts and the GoPro itself are in here along with the charger. Always bring a little bit of black electrical tape. You never know. You never know. You might need it. Here's my official charger for my Canon G7X battery. Same as the Mark II. I have the Mark III now. I'm using it to film, so that's why you can't see it. I got this used. $20 for this super lightweight Manfrotto monopod. Always bring a little bit of eyeglass cleaner. You never know if you need to clean a lens. Here's a fuel rod. 4 terabyte external hard drive. A couple pens. You never know when you're going to need it. Both of these are Disneyland pens from the Disneyland Hotel. Got a pass-through cable, you never know, might come in handy. Lots of USB for our iProducts, iPads, iPhones. Here is the microphone. I'm not using it at the moment, but this is the Rode video mic. And I've got it attached to this little, well, it's part of this GorillaPod. It allows you to add extra accessories to the outside of it, but I'm just using it on its own for now. I've got the Osmo DJI Mobile 2 for some gimbal shots when I'm using my iPhone. And here's a microphone that goes into the microphone, also Rode. And you can see it's got a lightning port adapter, so that just plugs into the phone, so I get better sound. I got my Bose noise cancelling headphones, extra batteries, iPhone XS Max. Here is my Bluetooth adapter. Turns any set of headphones into Bluetooth headphones. Got my iPad Pro with the pencil. Another smaller Manfrotto little tripod. Got my ThinkPad. This is a ThinkPad Carbon. It's a nice, thin, super light, very fast laptop. Of course, the charger for the laptop. I've got an umbrella because we're going to Florida. And this little case, it's a little hard case, and I keep a card reader, extra cards, some little lenses, couldn't find that word, that just clip on. You can use them for the iPhone. And this is also a little balancing kit for the gimbal. When I put that extra microphone on, it throws everything off. So that's they're counterbalances. Of course, I've got a nice little mouse. It's a little travel mouse. As soon as you click it into place, it turns on. It has a little USB adapter, and it just magnetically sticks. Of course, anytime you travel with a laptop, you should have a laptop lock. And I think that's it. Okay, now to put it all into my fuel backpack. Time for the carry-on. If you've seen my channel in the past, I've done one other packing video, and I really do love the hard case for a carry-on. Doesn't let you expand it too much, although this does have an expander. But if you leave it unexpanded, you know it's going to fit. There's just no question. But sometimes the softer ones, you can stuff a little bit too much in, and eek, they may not fit if they check. This is the Veritas Traveler's Companion doorstop, and it's a locking mechanism for a door. So if you're in a hotel, maybe you've never stayed up before, which we're going to be at, and I think it's got an outside entrance. Sometimes it just feels a little bit better to have a little extra security You can buy these at Lee Valley, and it's a fantastic little device. I should have had it when we went to Revelstoke. We had a little storm last night, and it blew in some snow, and it blew like crazy. Literally, we saw a wind reading from down South Alberta at 172 kilometers an hour. And that's approximately, I don't know, it's like well over 100 miles an hour wind. Crazy. And -1 today. It's not nearly as terrible as it could be. It's still really windy, and that wind just, ugh. We're about halfway done packing, and there are some things that we need. So we're off to Real Canadian Superstore, and gotta pick up a few things like sunscreen. Wind is brutal. It's so cold. One more day. One of those things probably weighs 3 to 5 pounds. Butter tarts. Butter tarts. Superstore is always kind of interesting because it has everything. It has clothes, it has kitchen supplies, it's got food, it's got everything. This is actually what we came for. And this is exactly what Charmaine wants. Right there. And one of these. Oh, it's so cold. The wind just rips your face off. It rips through your soul. Gonna miss these guys. Gonna miss you, buddy. That's it for today. Tomorrow morning, off to Orlando. Can't wait to get away from this cold. It's been brutal. The wind just ripping our faces off today. Not gonna miss it. Thanks for watching. See you soon from Walt Disney World.